Yo, gentlemen, it's your boy Richinati, and welcome once again to
DapperUp!
I'm the adorable. Welcome back to the channel, which gives you solid style advice and suggestions. The last time out, we spoke about the basics of style, which would help you look dapper anytime, anywhere, no matter what you choose to wear. In case you missed that, don't worry, you can click on the video next after this one to catch up. Now, you've got clothing items in that wardrobe, but it is one thing to have items in your wardrobe, and it is another to have things that you really need. I bet there are some items in your wardrobe that you've never worn since 2021 started. The big question here is, why is this so? Well, it is so because when it comes to picking clothes for your wardrobe, there are some essential items. And gentlemen, that is what today's video is about. So let's do this. Look, pack all those clothing items to one side and let's build from ground zero, from zilch, from nada, with those wardrobe essentials that you need. Numero uno for every man's wardrobe is a crew neck t-shirt. Look, crew neck tees are very comfy and you can form an array of outfits with them. Go for the neutral colors like the black, the white, the gray, and sometimes chip in some navy blues. So a crew neck tee is very important for a man's wardrobe. Still on shirts, add a crew neck sweatshirt. Get sweaters of the same neutral colors as the tees and you'd see the kind of magic it will do to your wardrobe. You should also have a casual button-up shirt or an Oxford cloth button-down shirt, an OCBD. With these shirts, you can either dress them up smart casual or dress them down more casually. The choice is yours. And feel free to mix things up with a striped or patterned shirt. Gentlemen, it is also important to have that outstanding denim shirt in your wardrobe. It is great to have these because of their versatility. You can either wear them as a standalone or as an overshirt. So get yourself that nice denim shirt. Let's talk about the pants, shall we? Your first pair of pants should be a black or a gray trousers. No two ways about that. Then the cotton pants or the chinos. With these, a khaki or a darker shade will do. My favorite when it comes to menswear, look, if you don't have anything at all, know these ones. The classic and timeless denim jeans. The days of baggy jeans are long gone. I'm talking about the slim fit denim jeans. Good fit because you need to show those serious shoes you've got under them. And you need just two pairs, gentlemen, of denim jeans and you are good to go. First is the darker shade, which is the more versatile amongst the two. You can use for your smart casual look as you can pair with your dress shoes. And the second, a semi-light wash or a light wash one, which you use for your more casual look. One more thing about the darker shade is that you do not have to wash all the time. So it is always good to get one that is plain without any pattern in there because you can wear it a million times and no one will notice. But please, wash your jeans. It's time for the shoes. For shoes, gentlemen, focus on high quality leather that you can wear for a long time, only making changes to the sole, replacing them when they wear off. So for a more formal look, I would advise you go with an Oxford or a derby or a brogue of the two, depending on your style. Get yourself a loafer for that smart casual look. Another essential shoe that every gentleman needs to have in his wardrobe, the boots. No, I'm not talking about football boots. I'm talking about either a cap-toe boot or a Chelsea boot. Also, get those white leather sneakers. Those things go with virtually everything, even a suit. That is how important a white leather sneaker is. I cannot stress on this enough. Most men are of the view that this next item isn't meant for them, but there comes that occasion once in a while where you need to turn it up. And what better way to do this than in a suit? So yes, a suit is the next essential item on my list, which I think every gentleman should have, and I recommend a black suit. Besides, everyone looks good in a suit. Coming home, gentlemen, to Africa. Yes, an African man doesn't play with his kaftan, so a kaftan is something I think every man should have in a wardrobe. And you can pair the kaftan with all the shoes mentioned before, but one essential thing you need when it comes to the kaftan is your leather slippers or sandals. You're almost done with your wardrobe full of essentials, except one last thing: accessories. Get a leather belt, a white pocket square, a navy blue tie, a watch or a bracelet, and finally, some sunglasses. Bam! See that? All of a sudden,
I don't look like what I have been through.
And like Warren Buffett once said, if you buy things you do not need, you would end up selling things you actually need. Think about that. Yo, gentlemen, so what do you think about this list? Drop a comment down below. Let's get interactive. Do you have another list? It's something not in this list. What do you think? And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.
Vamos allá, Natalia.